In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from Heygen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm you're signed out safely. First, open your web browser and search for Heygen. Use a search engine you trust, and type the name carefully to avoid lookalike sites. In the results, find the official Heygen website. It should clearly reference the Heygen brand and not a third-party service. If you see ads at the top, skip past anything that looks unrelated or unfamiliar, and choose the official result to proceed. Once you're on the Heygen site, go ahead and click Sign In. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken directly to your dashboard, which is exactly where we need to be to log out. If you're not signed in yet, use your usual method to access your account. Keep your login details private, and make sure you're on a secure connection, especially if you're on a shared or public device. After you land on the Heygen dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where your profile area lives. You'll typically see your avatar, an initial or a small profile icon there. Click it. When you do, a small pop-up menu will appear. If you don't see it right away, check that your browser window isn't zoomed in too far, or that the sidebar isn't collapsed. You can also try resizing the window slightly to reveal the bottom left corner more clearly. In that profile pop-up menu, look for the option labeled Log Out. Sometimes it may appear as Sign Out, but the meaning is the same. Click Log Out. The site will sign you out of your current session and return you to the sign-in page or the home page, depending on how Heygen is configured at the moment. That screen change is your quick confirmation that you're no longer logged in. For added peace of mind, especially on shared computers, you can close the browser tab after logging out. If you're on a public device, it's a good idea to avoid saving passwords in the browser. And if the Log Out button doesn't respond right away, refresh the page and try again. That's all there is to it. Open your browser and go to Heygen. Sign in if needed to reach your dashboard. Click your profile in the bottom left corner to open the menu, and choose Log Out. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to log out from Heygen quickly and securely.